Good morning, third grade. So today, welcome back to Monday. It's nice to have you guys back. Today we are doing our warm-up as always, and we are creating our own Thanksgiving songs because what holiday is later this week? Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving. I love food in general. My mom makes a really good turkey. I like stuffing. Stuffing's probably my favorite. What's your kind of favorite food to eat on Thanksgiving? Ooh, nice. I also really like pie. Apple pie is my favorite. All right, so I'm going to share and present, and then we are going to get started. So make sure that you are sitting in a nice quiet space. Make sure that you're not disturbing anybody else around you. If you have siblings who are also listening to their lessons or in live classes, make sure you are nice and respectful. All right. So welcome back, third grade. I've missed you guys. Like I said, today we have our warm up. We are creating Thanksgiving songs. So to start us off, we all know that this is ta. This note may or may not be familiar to you. You learned this last year whenever you were in second grade. Second grade. Now, second grade feels like a long time ago, but this note is called a ta. A ta is a little bit longer than just a regular ta, and a ta is not colored in like how this note is right over here. So can everybody please clap and say the rhythm after me? Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Now, if you'll watch, I sort of make my hand in a bigger motion on that first rhythm. That is because we have two beats in this ta. That's why I show the space with my hands. When you say the ta, can you also show the space with your hands? Let's try and say it after me. Ta, ta, ta. Great. I loved how you were showing that space with our hands. That way you give you the first note, that full two beats. Nice job. Next one, please speak it after me. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Next one, please, and speak it after me. Ta, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta. From the beginning by yourself. Next one, ready, here you go. Third one, please, and clap and say. Fourth one, last one, here you go. Perfect. All right, everyone. So today you are going to be creating your own Thanksgiving song. The directions: drag and place one pen in each box. Each A section must be exactly the same, and each B section must also be exactly the same. Meaning, whenever you scroll down and you click on your own song, everything in this A section here must be exactly the same as this one here. So essentially, the first row and the third row have to be exactly the same. Everything in the second row and the fourth row must be exactly the same as well. The directions continue and say, when you have finished filling in your song grid, practice performing your song by clapping and speaking the rhythm patterns. When you are ready, record your song using the Nearpod link attached to your assignment, which we'll get to that later. So everybody, these are 4 kinds of food that people may not eat on Thanksgiving. You may eat some of these, you may not eat any of them. Can everybody please clap and say pumpkin pie, mashed potatoes, ham, turkey, turkey, ham, mashed potatoes, pumpkin pie, turkey, ham, mashed potatoes, pumpkin pie. Awesome. So you are going to help me create a song together, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So let's say I want to put a pumpkin pie here. So I'm going to drag that there. Like I said before, I'm a big fan of turkey. I want to put another turkey here. And let's stick a ham at the end. So you will know when the first line is done because you have a picture in each and every box. Can you give me a thumbs up if I have a picture in every single box in row 1 or my first A section? Yes, can you please count those pictures with me? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we go back to my directions, it says each A section must be exactly the same. Can you please put your finger where our second A section is? If your finger is in this box right here, then you got it. This is where our second A section is. So if our A sections must be exactly the same, what picture do we have to put in there? Yes, another pumpkin pie. What picture do we have to put in our second box? If this box must be exactly the same, what does it have to be? Another turkey. What has to go in the third box? Thinking that our A sections must be exactly the same. Another turkey. And what has to go last? A ham. So, can you put your hand on your head if both of my A lines match? They do. So we're done with A sections, and you move on to your B. What picture would you like to put in the first box in our B section? Yeah, those mashed potatoes need some love, I agree. Now, when you do yours, you will have more mashed potato options. So I'm going to just quickly copy and paste. So we have, in case you want to do some extra mashed potatoes, you have them. Which I love mashed potatoes, so put another one there. Let's just keep rocking with mashed potatoes. Then let's stick a ham. So if our B sections have to be exactly the same, what picture has to go down here? What picture has to go in this B box if our B sections have to be exactly the same? A mashed potato. So we're going to put that there. Which one has to go here? Yes, another mashed potato. Keeping it the same. And then we got to end with a ham. So give me a thumbs up if every single box in our song is filled. Yes, it is. Can you give me one finger if our B sections match? Give me 2 fingers if our A sections match. They do. So if I were to perform my song from beginning to end, it would sound like this. Pumpkin pie, turkey, turkey, ham. Mashed potato, mashed potato, mashed potato, ham. Pumpkin pie, turkey, turkey, ham. Mashed potato, mashed potato, mashed potato, ham. So you speak and clap each and every rhythm pattern. Can you please say the first line after me? Pumpkin pie, turkey, turkey, ham. Second line after me. Mashed potato, mashed potato, mashed potato, ham. Pumpkin pie, turkey, turkey, ham. Mashed potato, mashed potato, mashed potato, ham. Awesome. So that's how each and every picture and icon sounds. So whenever you go to perform it, your pumpkin pie will sound like pumpkin pie, mashed potato, ham, turkey. That's how each one of your pictures will sound. Whenever you are done filling it in and you have each and every box filled, you will click on a Nearpod link that's going to be in your assignment page, which will be posted here, and it will bring you to this. Now, we've done these activities before, the open-ended question, and the directions say, "Hello, everyone. Please use this to record your Thanksgiving song." You will need to split your screen to view both the Nearpod activity and your song at the same time. So to do that, now there is a little extension that you can do that, but if you do not have that extension, if you follow me up here, there is a little box in the upper right-hand corner. You're going to click that, and it's going to make this one smaller. Click and drag and move that. Then you're going to click on your Google slide and move it. So that way you can see your composition, your song, and the open-ended question at the same time. Your other option, which I put here, is to write down your Thanksgiving song on a piece of paper, and then you will not need to split your screen. So I'll show you that again. When you open up your computer, it may look like this. So your screen may just be big. To split your screen, click this box in the upper right-hand corner, which will make one window smaller. Then you're going to click either the Nearpod link or your song. Click it, drag it, and leave it there. That way you can see both the Nearpod and your song. So the directions continue. Practice performing your song before recording it. When you are ready to record it, click the red Record Audio button towards the bottom of your screen. You may need to scroll down to find the button. So I scroll. So the Record Audio button will be down here. Whenever you are ready to complete it, then you're going to hit Submit. So it's the same thing that we've done before with Alabama Gal. So that's how you record it. Let's bring you back. So that is all that you have to do this week. So just to recap, make sure that you complete your entire Thanksgiving song, watch my lesson video, and make sure you click mark as done. So a lot of similar steps that we have in our other lessons, but the big one is just make sure that you finish your Thanksgiving song and submit a recording of it through Nearpod. So that is all that we have today, third grade. I hope to see a bunch of you in office hours today. That's at 3 p.m. We will have a time to climb towards the end of the lesson as always. So I hope to see you guys later. Have a great day if I don't see you. And if I don't see you in office hours, also have a wonderful Thanksgiving, everyone. So I'll see you next time.